Hello viewers, Big Billion Days sale will be the biggest sale of the year. This year Big Billion Days sale will commence in the month of September 2025. In the Big Billion Days sale, if you are planning to buy tablets or iPads, you must know the price of those tablets and iPads to get the best discounts. If you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation 64GB variant, in that case the best price would be 22,000 rupees. And if you are looking to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be under 30,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price for the 128GB would be around 26 to 28,000 rupees. Few days ago, iPad 11th generation was available at a price point of 29,000 rupees. But I would suggest you to wait for Big Billion Days sale to get the best discounts on this iPad. Many people actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy S9 series. If you want to buy Tab S9 FE, in that case the best price would be 18,000 to 20,000 rupees for the 128GB variant. And if you want to buy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be 22,000 to 25,000 rupees. Previous year also Tab S9 FE Plus was sold at a price point of 21 to 23,000 rupees. The next tablet that you can buy is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. The best price for S10 FE would be around 32 to 35,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the bigger variant, that is S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be 40 to 42,000 rupees. Next, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case the best price would be 35,000 rupees. Next, if you are planning to buy Redmi Pad Pro, in that case Big Billion Days sale would be a very good time to buy that tablet. You can buy Redmi Pad Pro at a price point of 15,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. Similarly, if you want to buy Poco Pad 5G, in that case that tablet will be priced under 15,000 rupees to buy. If you like Moto tablets, in that case Moto Pad 60 Pro would be a very good tablet for you to buy. The best price would be around 20,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. Next, if you want to buy Oneplus Pad 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 20,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the bigger variant, that is Oneplus Pad 2 128GB, would be priced at 27 to 28,000 rupees. And for the 256GB variant, you may have to pay around 30 to 32,000 rupees. So these are the pricing of some of the favorite tablets right now. If you want to know the price of any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. If you want to get notified about the latest deals and offers on tablets and smartphones, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.